Okay, knife cuts with Chef Michael Gabriel at the Culinary Institute Lenotre. And we're going to mince chives. All right, so get a good knife here. When mincing, it's a very fine, small, precise cut. So, there's a little tip, a little trick that you kind of get when you're in the field of culinary is to make things a little easier. Now, I can cut this and mince this just like this, but as you see while I'm sitting here, the chives want to run away. Okay, so I have a little piece of wet paper towel here towards the base of the chives that I'm going to roll the chives in. This keeps everything together. The things that fall out, they don't want to be in there anyway, so remove them. Then I'm going to go to the front of it, keeping everything super, super tight, okay? I like to cut my chives down and then continue to chop, but to each his own. You can start from one side, go to the other. I'm gonna cut it down, okay? Just because I don't like it like this, okay? And I'm gonna put that underneath. Now I have a nice straight edge, okay? I just like to get a good straight edge before I start, okay? I'm gonna take the chives into my fingers like this, tucking them back, just squeezing the chives together as much as I can so that I can get a very tight cut, okay? This is a very tight, very precise rocking motion. You want to just get it going, okay? I haven't even started cutting yet, just to show you the way the knife needs to move when you're doing a cut like mincing, okay? Very quick, very nice, very easy. It's not about how big you cut. Keeping the chives nice and tight. Stop every couple of seconds, move your hands back. This is what you get when you mince, okay? Very nice, very fine, beautiful chives. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's how you mince chives.